This is Pre-Calculus, Chapter 1, Section 3, Problem number 69. In this problem, you're asked to factor this trinomial, and there's several different methods you could do. The diamond box method, if those of you who learned that in Algebra 2, but we're just going to use the guess and check method, which is to put this into two different groups. And the first thing we're doing is we're looking at what would I multiply to get 8x squared. So I just guess. I'd say, well, I know that 4x and 2x, when you multiply, you get the product of 8x squared. So I'm going to try that and see how it goes. If I'm not really getting anywhere in this problem, if it doesn't seem to be working out, then I could change it to 8x and 1x, or I could change the order, 2x and 4x, but that really won't make much of a difference. The next thing I'm looking at is the things that I would multiply to get negative 15, and so I just picked negative 5 and positive 3 and said, okay, let's just check this out. Because the next step, I know that what I have here will give me 8x squared, and I know it will give me negative 15. But the big question is, if I multiply the two outsides, 4x and positive 3, and negative 5 and 2x, and add those two products together, will I get negative 14x? But unfortunately, negative 5 times 2x gives me negative 10x, and positive 4x and positive 3 gives me positive 12x. That does not get me negative 14x. So I have to start over again and say, all right, instead of negative 5 and then positive 3, what if I just changed the order of that and said positive 3 and negative 5? That still gives me the negative 15. And when I multiply the 4x and the negative 5, I get negative 20x. When I multiply the 3 and the 2x, I get 6x, and add those together, and I get negative 14. And so I only had to guess twice in this case. If you're really doing this and you're guessing and guessing and guessing, then we need to go to a different method. But try this the best you can. We know that through the guess and check method, which is reverse foiling, some people were taught to call it that. It's just the distributive property in reverse. And so there's our answer, 4x plus 3 times 2x minus 5.